welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. So I'm going to be doing the month of July and I'm excited to see what came this month, so let's go ahead and jump in. If you are new to my Allure unboxings, I do these every single month. Allure is a monthly subscription service. It's $15 every single month and you receive some full size, some deluxe size items, and I'm excited to go ahead and see what we did get for this month. So we have this little magazine that comes inside of here that has info on all of the products, and we do receive some full size items but also some deluxe size. So it kind of has all of the info, how much everything costs, where you can purchase it and everything like that inside of this. So getting started, we're going to go ahead and grab out the first product. This is from Osea and this is the Ocean Cleanser. It's a mineral plus balance cleanser. Here's what that looks like. So this looks to be like a deluxe size of this one. So it says the cleansing gel removes excess oil and surface impurities, removes makeup as well. It's good for normal, dry, and combination skin. I haven't heard of this brand before, so I'm kind of interested to go ahead and try that one out. The full size price on that one is $48. Okay, our next product is from Peach and Lily. This is the Glass Skin Refining Serum. Ooh, and this is in Luminous plus Translucent. And let's go ahead and see. This looks like this one is a full size. So here is what that looks like right there. So I went ahead and pumped a little out just so we could see like the consistency on this one. It feels like it would be really, really hydrating on the skin, and I do see a little bit of luminosity to this, so I'm sure over time this will probably help. So it says porcelain skin is achieved with the skin hydrated and without inflammation. I don't notice any scent on this, which is nice, and this is to calm, brighten, and firm the skin. So that is nice. And let's go ahead and see the price on this one. So the full size cost on this one is $39, so that definitely costs right there over what the box costs alone. So this is from Dr. Jart, and this is the Tiger Grass Calming Eye Cream. This one again is just a small little deluxe size of that. And let's go ahead and see what the full size retails for. So the full size of this one retails for $48. So you do get, I'd say with eye cream you only need a small amount, so this will probably get you quite a few uses. I'd say at least a couple weeks out of this little thing right here, so enough to tell if you really did like the product. And then the next product in here is a Butter Lip and Cheek Balm, and this one looks to be a full size. So let's go ahead and pull it out and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead. It is a cream product, and here's what it looks like. I'll do a couple little swatches here for you. So there's what it looks like on the skin, and it has a little bit of a glow to it, and it looks like it's something that you could definitely like build up or sheer out. It doesn't look like it's like too overpowering, which I like in a cream product because I'd rather just build it up than have it like go on and be super intense. So again, that one is $16 for the full size there. Okay, and it looks like we just have a couple more things in here. So up next we have this from Lipgloss. This is the Charcoal Pore Care Sheet Mask. So here is what that looks like, and it is just like a single sheet mask in here, and the cost on that one is $3 for this one. And let's go ahead and see what it says. Sheet mask his fine charcoal powder detoxifies and tightens pores. I love sheet masks in general, but I really love charcoal products. I actually used a charcoal mask today, so I always use charcoal because I think it really helps with like pores and texture and stuff like that. And then we have this little sample in here as well. This is Acne Cover Patch. Cover blemishes invisibly, and it's made with tea tree oil and calendula oil, and it says 8 clear patches. So I'm guessing these are something, yeah, so you can actually just use these on any breakouts that you have, and it says that it'll help to diminish them. So I've used something like this. I actually used one of these the other day. I have this one on my chin that like won't go away, and I did put one of the patches. I used the Patchology one, and it like dried it right up. So this is something that you can definitely use to help with those. So it says 8 different patches in here. So here is what that looks like right there, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys the price on this one. The patches, let's see if I can find, I don't see a price on the patches actually in this book. I just see here on the back there's like a 20% off coupon. To summarize everything, we ended up getting the charcoal mask. We also got the pimple patches. We got the Dr. Jart eye cream. We also got the cleanser and the full size of the serum. And then the last thing that we got was that lip and cheek stain. So I think this was a pretty good value for the $15. We got a few deluxe size, but we also got some pretty good size products in here as well. I won't say that this is like the most I've been excited over a Allure box, but I do think that you definitely get your values worth. Let me know if you tried tried any of these products I did mention. Everything is new to me. I've never tried any of them, so I'll be interested to go ahead and give them a try. Comment down below what you got inside of your box. I'll have the link in case you're interested in signing up over in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.